Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious liqueur chocolates. First, gather your ingredients. About 1 pound of good quality chocolate, your favorite liqueur, and some small chocolate molds. You will also need a double boiler or microwave for melting and a candy thermometer. Make sure your workspace is cool and dry, ideally around 20 degrees Celsius, to ensure your chocolate sets perfectly. Clean and dry all your tools thoroughly before you begin this delightful process. Now, let's create those perfect chocolate shells. Tempering is crucial for a beautiful shine and crisp texture. Melt about 3/4 of your chocolate to around 115 degrees Fahrenheit, then cool it down to 88 to 91 degrees Fahrenheit by adding the remaining chocolate. Pour the tempered chocolate into your molds, tap gently to release air bubbles, then quickly invert them to let excess chocolate drain, forming a thin shell. Let these set for about 15 to 20 minutes. With your shells ready, it's time for the delightful filling. You can make a simple ganache with cream and your chosen liqueur, or a sugar syrup infused with the spirit. For a classic liquid center, combine about 2 parts liqueur with 1 part simple syrup. Carefully pipe this mixture into each chocolate shell, leaving a small space, about 1/8 of an inch, at the top. Be sure the filling is at room temperature to prevent melting your beautiful chocolate shells. The final step is sealing your liqueur chocolates. Retemper a small amount of your remaining chocolate. Carefully spread a thin layer of this tempered chocolate over the top of each filled mold, creating a secure base. Scrape off any excess chocolate to ensure a clean finish. Allow them to set for about 30 minutes in a cool place, then gently unmold your exquisite liqueur chocolates. Store them in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 2 weeks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.